Hello, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I just want to show us how to make a basic hijab, an hijab that we join a basic khimar, a small khimar but without a hand. It's just a small fabric that I have here with me because of the size of my table. So I'm going to make it as small as possible, probably for a baby. So I have my fabric here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold it into two widthwise, which is what I'm doing. You fold your fabric into two widthwise by the widths. So that is what I'm doing. So after folding your fabric into two, you place it on the table. So it's just a scrap of fabric, like I said. So let me shift it down for us to see very clearly the folding. So I believe you can see this folding very clearly now. This is the folded edge, and this side here is the rough edge, and this other side here is the rough edge. Then the down part also is rough. So now the next thing we are going to do is to determine the width of our fabric. I don't have my tape measure here. I'm trying to look around for it so that we can draft the pattern. So that we can make the hijab. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to measure how long do I want my hijab to be. Like I said earlier, I explained to us how to measure the opening, the head opening, which is 8 inches for kid. So I'm going to mark my 8 inches here. You know, if you realize, I'm measuring from the folded edge here. So I'm measuring my 8 inches. I measured my 8 inches here. So then the length of my hijab, I'm going to make it 13 inches. So that means I have 8 plus 13, which will give me 21. So hold from the beginning, from the top of my fabric to 21. That is how long I want my hijab to be at one side here. So I'm going to place my tape along this folded edge part again and measure 21. Wow, my hijab, it won't be 21. So I'm going to try and reduce it because it's just a class. So I'm going to make it 16. So I have 16 here. Then here as well will be 16. So I have 16 here. So after this 16, I'll make sure my side is also 16 so as to join them together. I want them to be equal. So after that, I'm going to cut out. This is where my 16 inches end, and that is where I put my scissors. As you can see, I'm just cutting. And that's all. We make our small hijab. This is the basic hijab. So how do we sew? We just take the fabric to our sewing machine, then we try to sew. But before sewing, so as not to make a mistake, it's always very advisable to notch. What is notching? Just to create a point so that we can know where to start sewing. So we are going to sew down this way, and we can hem the parts here. This is the head opening. So Now I'm going to explain how to make the cap, and that will be in our next video. So try to make this basic hijab and understand it. So please, if you don't understand, please try to ask question. See you in the next class. Bye bye.